Hey everybody, it's Ryan from Work and Play. I couldn't resist myself. I had to come out and do a quick walkthrough of this trailer. Just arrived. This is custom ordered for a customer. You don't see these very often. So this is from Alcom. So this is a Mission Elevation Limited Edition 8.5 by 24 drive-in, drive-out inline snowmobile trailer. And I mean, there's so many bells and whistles on this. There's no way I was going to get through a video in 60 seconds. So we'll just take a quick walk around and see what we're working with. So it's got 5,200 pound torsion axles, spread axle design, skirted sides to give it that nice, cool finish to it. Customer went with the two-tone finish, so indigo blue on the front, white on the back. Looks great with the chrome divider. It's got two side doors, obviously, so if you're loading your sleds, you need access to the fuel pumps. You can open up either side, get access into your trailer. It's got this really cool wraparound front ramp. So when we close this up, it actually goes around the rounded V-nose front to the side of the trailer. It has a 30-pound propane tank here on the front. You're going to see what that's for once we get inside the trailer. So what makes this really cool is a lot of these are standard features. So Alcom actually builds a trailer with all this stuff in it. It's not for everybody, but for the people that can afford it. Wow, what an end result finish. So up here in the front, as we come in through the front ramp, it's actually a little seat, but what's hidden inside that seat is a boot warmer. So again, warm your boots up before or after you hit the trails. You've got a wall receptacle, so this has a 110 power package, so you can take a regular 30 amp power cord, plug your trailer in to power up the electrical inside. This extruded aluminum on the front, I'll get to that in a second to show you what it is. Fuse panel up overhead. This is your interior heater. So your heater runs off the propane tank on the front. It also runs off 12 volt. It went with a finished interior, so white finished ceiling, finished walls. As we come down here, you have more of this extrusion on the wall. So this is called their VersaTrack. What this allows you to do is actually move cabinets to where you want them. So this helmet cabinet, you see how it's bolted down with angle iron, so we can actually move that back. We can slide it up to the front if they want to move the coat rack to more of the rear of the trailer. We can take the helmet cabinet, we can bring it up front if they'd rather have it over top of the boot warmer. So it just makes your trailer that much more versatile that you can use it how you want to use it. They've got these great benches. So again, these benches fold up onto the wall. Actually, I've got one here on the other side that I'll show you. So additional helmet cabinets on this side, also on the track. So again, you can move them to where they need to go. Here's your bench tucked up out of the way. 14 by 14 fuel door. It's got this great quad-ply flooring. Again, the full-length tie-down track with sliding D-rings for tying down your sleds. There's additional 5,000 pound recessed D-rings just in case you're using it for something else. Even down here on the bottom, you've got this aluminum kick plate. Usually that's just wood, drive over fenders, so you can use the trailer to the full width. And what we really like is it has this beavertail built into the back. So when your trailer is full of slush, snow, water, you can actually squeegee it down into this trough, and then underneath the trailer you can release it so that you can actually drain your trailer out through the bottom to get a lot of the water out of your trailer after you're done letting your snowmobiles drip dry. Up over top you can see a 14 by 14 manual manual vent. There's loading lights everywhere. There's porch lights. We've got the overhead spoiler with more loading lights. Just an absolutely phenomenally built trailer. This is probably one of the nicest snowmobile trailers we've ever seen from any manufacturer. If you're in the market, call or text. The number here is 506-388-0933. The gentleman that sold this trailer is Derek Noseworthy. He goes by the Newfie Guy. Or we also have Jim King. Either one of these guys will be able to take care of you. And if this is what you dream of, we have a manufacturer that can make it come true. Thanks, everybody. We'll see ya. Bye.